Good afternoon to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about hydrocarbons and what is the introduction part of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon means the compound having only carbon and hydrogen. Then the compounds are called hydrocarbons. The term hydrocarbon is a self-explanatory, which means compounds of carbon and simply the compounds of carbon and hydrogen only. That is the definition of hydrocarbon. Already you know what is the full form of LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. CNG, compressed natural gas. LNG, liquefied natural gas. Liquefied petroleum gas, compressed natural gas, liquefied natural gas. Okay, these gases are obtained from liquefaction of natural gases. Liquefaction of natural gases. Okay, you know, petrol, diesel, kerosene are useful for the obtained from fractional distillation. Petrol, diesel, kerosene obtained from fractional distillation process. Here petrol, diesel, kerosene is obtained from or by fractional distillation of petroleum under the earth crust. Coal gas is obtained from, these are petrol, diesel, kerosene are obtained by the process of fractional distillation, whereas coal gas is obtained by obtained from process destructive distillation. Destructive distillation process. You know, LPG is used as a domestic fuel. LPG is used as a domestic fuel with least pollution. Kerosene is also used as a domestic fuel, but it causes some pollution. Automobiles need fuel like petrol and diesel, and as well as a CNG. Actually, in these hydrocarbons are majorly useful for the manufacture of polymers like polythene covers, and as well as the polypropylene, polystyrene. Higher hydrocarbons are used for solvent for paints. Okay, what are the uses of hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are useful for the majorly it is manufacture of polythene or polypropylene, polystyrene. Higher hydrocarbons are used for solvent for paints. And also they are also used as starting material for manufacture of many dyes, drugs. Okay, this is information about introduction part of hydrocarbon and its classification. What are the classification of hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are broadly classified into two categories. How many categories? Two categories. Hydrocarbons are classified into two categories. That is open chain hydrocarbons. It is also called acyclic hydrocarbons or aliphatic hydrocarbons. And second one is cyclic hydrocarbons. It is also called closed chain hydrocarbons. These open chain hydrocarbons again classified into two categories, that is saturated hydrocarbon and second one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon means the hydrocarbon in which at least one single covalent bond between two carbon atoms in a molecule is called saturated hydrocarbon. Example for saturated hydrocarbon, alkane. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Unsaturated hydrocarbon, what is the definition of unsaturated hydrocarbon? The hydrocarbon in which either double bond or triple bond between two carbon atoms in a molecule. Simply multiple bonds formed between two carbon atoms in a molecule is called unsaturated. These unsaturated hydrocarbons again classified into two types, alkenes, alkynes. Alkenes and alkynes. The general formula of alkenes, CnH2n. Alkenes general formula CnH2n. This is the alkene general formula. Alkyne general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Like that. Here also closed chain hydrocarbons classified in two types of homocyclic closed chain, heterocyclic closed chain. These homocyclic hydrocarbons are again classified into two types, alicyclic homocyclic, aromatic homocyclic. Like that classification is there. Homocyclic, heterocyclic. How many types here? Two types. Aliphatic, alicyclic, homocyclic, heterocyclic. This homocyclic hydrocarbons again classified in two types, homocyclic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. These aromatic hydrocarbons again classified in two types, benzenoid compounds and non-benzenoid compounds. Like that, heterocyclic compounds also classified in two types, alicyclic heterocyclic and as well as aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Okay, this is information about introduction part of hydrocarbon. Thank you.